service is ready to depart from platform 15B. The 136 Melton service is ready to depart from platform 15B. Attention, please stand clear of the yellow line. 141. Thank you. Melton service is now boarding at platform 16A. This service will be stopping at Pakenham, Nanargoon, Tynong, Garfield, Bunyan, Longwarry, Druin, Warragul, Yarragon, Trafalgar, Lowy, Morwell, Traralgon. The 141 Traralgon service